Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. I was just waiting for US non-farm payroll data and US unemployment data. So US non-farm is at around 315 and US unemployment rate for the month of September is at around how much? 3.5, right? So maybe that is regarded as a bad news, and what I am seeing is US futures going down. So when our markets opened or when our markets closed, we saw that Dow Jones, whether it is Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything was in the green. Now it is kind of in the red. Anyway, market has to open. After that, we don't know how markets will react. Then only we can see whether this US market is global cues are negative or not. Anyway, this whatever rally happened, it's gone, right? So I was talking about this earlier. It was a very small rally. Maybe 28,000 in Dow Jones. I'm talking about Dow Jones. 28,000 was a good support. Now it is gone, and of course SGX Nifty is also maybe showing in the red, right? So this is how the markets are behaving, and you might know I am a short seller and I have shorted the market. Let us see how things pan out, but I can tell you there is no momentum on the upside. If the market has to go on the higher side, it has to have some momentum, which we are missing. Now today's price action, if you see today's price action, both Nifty and Bank Nifty was kind of in the last hour of today's trading session, right? So we saw Bank Nifty and Nifty maybe rallying like this is the second half of trading session. Bank Nifty managed to close above 39,200 and Nifty also closed above 17,200. So this 17,200 levels was is believed to be a good support in Nifty, and let us see Bank Nifty what happens. Hopefully markets are likely to gap down on Monday, so that is what I think. So that's why I always say you have to be shorting the market, right? And if you see the FIA data, I don't think FIA data would have come today. It has not yet come. FIA data, FIA data has come. Oh my God, look at that. 7th October, FIAs have sold for around 2,250 crores and DIIs have bought for 545 crores. You see how smart buggers these people are. Huh? Just before even they are just dumping like anything. Even yesterday, day before yesterday or 2 days back, they were net buyers. Now they are net sellers, my friend. They have sold in a span of 2,250 crores. Maybe they know information that we don't know, right? And this is whatever happens or whatever price action you are seeing in the market is just a manipulation, 100% manipulation by FIAs and DIIs, institutions, right? Retailers are nothing. It is just institutions. So let's see once again what is the status. Still it is down. It is Dow Jones is down by 0.5%, S&P is down by almost 1%, Nasdaq is down by 1.5%. So I think probably even Europe has started to fall. I think DAX is down by 0.5%. France is marginally flat, and FTSE is also in the flat. So hopefully we are going to see a gap down on Monday. And I hope you don't have any long position in the market, right? So long position nowadays is not working, right? So majority of the time you have to have a short position. One day I had a short position, and you know what happened? That was a very, very strong reversal. 700 points in Bank Nifty and 250 points plus in Nifty. And you know what happened, right? So probably Monday we are going to gap down. So that's what I've been saying. So this is the third time I have told in the same video itself, right? And when it comes to open interest, I think there is some issue with the Sensible. Sensible is not working from the morning itself. I don't know what is the problem with the Sensible. I think both Nifty and Bank Nifty, there were significant calls being written. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, it's just came now, but it is, yeah, data. So 39,500 call is being written. 40,000 is having the highest call, highest open interest among call option, and people are writing 39,000 short straddle, right? 39,000 short straddle. So in case Bank Nifty moves up and down, you can make money, right? And if you see in a Nifty, highest open interest among call option is at 17,500, and people are writing 17,300. So this is what people do before any major event. They used to either take a short straddle or some short strangle, so that in case the market reverses, or in case there is any movement, or because there will be India VIX spike, sorry, not India VIX, VIX spike, so they take a short straddle, and once the event is gone, this VIX drops down, then they tend to make money. But surprisingly today, Indian market, we saw that India VIX was dropping, right? If I am not wrong, I think India VIX dropped by more than around 2%, right? So this is how the markets are looking. Let us see one more time. And today night I'll be, even though I don't have much position in much of big positional trade, I have a trade, I have some short position, but not huge, right? So still Dow Jones is down by 200 points, S&P 500, Nasdaq all in the red. Let us also check what is the status of this SGX Nifty. So SGX Nifty is something we all follow, right? We are very fond of SGX Nifty, right? Yeah, this is a website which is giving SGX Nifty. Yeah, SGX Nifty is also down by around 59 points, or 0.5%, almost 0.5%, right? So this is how markets are looking like. I still believe you don't have any short position in the market. If you have shorted the market, if you are long in the if you are long in the market, brace for impact. Maybe we will see a gap down on Monday, right? So nothing much. This is about it. I just want to say this interest rate. How much is the interest rate? There is nothing much to talk. Today's market was really flat. It was moving up and down, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Only in the last half an hour, we saw market rallying like anything. I think Bank Nifty and Nifty both was rallying like anything, just half an hour. Last half an hour, right? So that's it, my friends. Nothing much. Take care. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Till then, take care and best of luck. Bye.